Shalom, this is Miriam. I am going to read Leviticus chapter 23, verses 33 to 44 for Parashah, and it's day 6. I'll try to make this a little bit bigger so that you can see it. Okay. Vayedaber Adonai el Moshe lemor. And the Lord spoke unto Moses, saying, Daber el Bnei Israel lemor בחמישה עשר יום לחודש השביעי הזה, חג הסוכות, 7 ימים לאדוני. Speak or say to the children of Israel, saying, on the 15th day of this 7th month is the Feast of Tabernacles for 7 days unto the Lord. And I am going to read now verse 35. Bayom Harishon Mikra Kodesh Kol Melichet Avodah Lo Ta'asu. The first day, or on the first day, shall be a sacred occasion. You shall not work at your occupations. Verse 36. Shivat Yamim Takrivu Ishe LaAdonai Bayom Hashemini Mikra Kodesh Yeh Lachem Vehikratem Ishe LaAdonai Atse Rek Hi Kol Melechet Avodah Lo Ta'asu. 7 days you shall bring offerings by fire to Adonai. On the 8th day you shall observe a sacred occasion and bring an offering by fire to Adonai. It is a solemn gathering. You shall not work at your occupations. Verse 37. Ele Moadei Adonai Asher Tikrehu Otam Mikraei Kodesh Lehakriv Ishe La Adonai Ola Umincha Zevax Unesaichim Devar Yom Beyomo. Those are the set times of Adonai, or the appointed times of Adonai, that you shall celebrate as sacred occasions, bringing offerings by fire to Adonai, burnt offerings, meal offerings, sacrifices, and liberations on each day, what is proper to it. Okay. 38. Milvad Shabtot Adonai Umilvad is 39. Ach Bachamisha Aser Yom Lachodesh Hashevi באספכם את תבואת הארץ, תחוגו את חג אדוני 7 ימים ביום הראשון שבעתון, וביום השמיני שבתון. Mark on the 15th day of the 7th month, when you have gathered in the yield of your land, you shall observe the festival of Adonai to last 7 days, a complete rest on the first day and a complete rest on the 8th day. And 41. Vechagotem oto chag le'Adonai 7 ימים בשנה חגת עולם לדורותיכם בחודש השביעי תחוגו אותו. You shall observe it as a festival of Adonai for 7 days in the year. You shall observe it in the 7th month as a law for all time throughout the ages. 42. Basukot teshvu shitat yamim kol ha'etz rach beYisrael yeshvu basukot. You shall live in booths 7 days. All citizens in Israel shall live in booths. Okay. These numbers are weird. It's supposed to be 43. Okay. Lema'an yedu dorotechem ki vasukot hoshavti et bnei Yisrael behotzii otam me'eretz Mitzrayim ani Adonai Elohechem, in order that future generations may know that I made the Israelite people live in booths when I brought them out of the land of Egypt, I, your God. And the last one, 44. Vayedaber Moshe et moadei Adonai el bnei Yisrael. So Moses declared to the Israelites the set times of Adonai. Shalom.